Welcome back to Print City. I hope everybody is ready to have another absolutely phenomenal day in the stock market. Welcome and special shout out to all of you guys that have filtered in so early that have been waiting for the stream for a little bit. I hope you guys are ready for some fun. We did get some more data this morning. PPI, Producer Price Index, was lower than expected, and the jobs report came out, initial and continuing claims. I believe both of them are higher than expected, meaning, let me look here just to make sure. Jobless claims up 11,000 to 239,000. Survey was 235, so the estimate was 235. The actual was 239, meaning higher than expected. Continuing claims were down, though. So kind of neutral over there on the jobs report. I mean, more recently, you can kind of take some of the data that we're seeing here. PPI, Producer Price Index, rises 2.7% year over year, estimated 3. So you could kind of read some of this data here and say we are moving in the right direction, which is good. Moving in the right direction is a good thing. Seeing these inflation data points starting to come down is a good thing. The problem is, and it sucks to say, when Powell talks about the labor market, you do need to see unemployment tick up a little bit to eliminate some of that demand push element of inflation. Because remember, if you have a bunch of people working, they're making money, they're spending it in the economy, that demand side can start to bid up some of those goods. So what we're seeing here, these slow movements, is a relatively good thing. Now, SPY right now still chilling at this basically 410 level here, sitting right at 409.43. What do we got Tessie doing over here? Tessie up 1. Nvidia not really doing much here. AMD probably same deal. Yeah, just chopping around. Netflix up 2.5. There might have been some news on this that I haven't seen yet. And then Facebook up about 0.6. So that's kind of what we're looking at going into market open here, team. We got a lot of time left. Again, guys, as you guys are filtering in, holy shit, I didn't even have to ask you today. Make sure you slap the literal living shit out of the like button. It helps out so much spreading the word of Trade 1348 and what we're doing over here. Again, for all of you guys that are sitting on the sidelines, you guys have seen the videos, you've seen the algorithms, you've seen the thousands of people printing, you've seen me printing. It's time. $5 for your first month right there. Scan that QR code, use code PRINTCITY, and you guys will get your first month for 90% off. The link's also in the top of the live chat for those of you guys that don't know how to use QR codes. If you want to click that, same deal, Print City. And we did an absolutely amazing midweek masterclass last night, refreshing the thigh gap strategy and trading psychology. We did a lot of trading psychology tips and tricks. Again, if you want Gabe's morning live streams, my midweek master classes, the Sunday master classes, and everything else that we're offering you guys in those upper tiers, make sure you guys hop into platform, go to the subscriptions area, and you can click Get Master right away. You guys are good to go to hop in to the masterclass. But team, let's have another amazing day today. That masterclass last night was fantastic. My favorite Wednesday night class so far. Holy shit, Lori, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I tried. I mean, the sniper analogy is pretty good. I think when you think about the market as like you're actually like, it really sounds drastic, but sometimes people need those drastic examples in order to kind of flip back and think logically. It's like, well, if I was in this situation and it's relatively the same steps of logic, how would I then react? Market versus being in a war. So yeah, if you guys are in Master and you haven't seen that yet and you're struggling with consistency, make sure that you guys go check that one out. That's going to really, really help you guys out there. That masterclass last night was invaluable. Thank you, guys. You guys are missing out on masterclass. Damn, guys, you masterclass people are really shouting it out today. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate it, and I love that you guys are actually finding so much value from those streams at night. It's different than the ones that we do here. We've got the market going. We've got all sorts of nonsense going, but we can sit down and we have like 1 or 2 topics that we can dive deep into and make sure that you guys understand. Oh, the learning is absolutely insane. You think it was a great class, dude? God damn, team. There we go. Shout out to the masterclass over there. You guys have been crushing it, dude. But team, again, keep running those likes up over here. Let's make some more money today and then fuck off and be done. How about that? Great vids, you and Gabe. Chameleon, I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, if you guys haven't seen, Gabe posted a new video yesterday. The most recent video on my channel is out. Let me see. Do I have it in this description? Nah, I can go get it, though. Is it right here? Nah, it's over here. The VIX. That's me. That's me. All right. Yeah. Here's that video right here for those of you guys that haven't seen it. It's about Rita. It was good. Oh, God. Thank you, guys. I know you say the same things over and over, but you always change the context, makes it visible to all. Dr. Q, thank you. I mean, you have to think about it in terms of like learning. People learn differently, and you say things sometimes a different way, and then it clicks for them, and you're like, ah, that's what got it. like I can say all day long, focus on consistency and 1% compounding gains, but it's easier said than done. So those analogies, those little exercises that I went over with you guys last night, using that dummy account or the mirrored account. I don't want to call it a dummy account. I want to call it the mirrored account. The Excel spreadsheet, taking gains out, and all the other stuff we talked about in there, I think is going to really help a lot of you guys out. But I love that you guys are finding so much value in those. We're going to continue bringing you guys insane value up there. So I want to make some damn money today, team. Where's the fucking market? We got so much time. We got 40 minutes until the market opens. We got to sit here with our... Just kidding. We don't have to do that. But let's see here, folks. Yeah, but that's that YouTube video that I threw in right there. Make sure you guys watch that one. If you guys are curious about Rita and the algorithms that we have, watch that one. I still have yet to record the new ones. The new ones are going to be dirty. So I hope you guys are ready. The new Rita videos that I'm going to be bringing out to you guys are going to be absolutely filthy, and they're probably going to cause some emotional damage for some on the outside. But that's the point. That's the point. So let's see. It's going to be great. You don't see the latest masterclass on platform. It's not on platform. It's in master level updates in the Discord. So the midweek streams are going to go in the Discord. Same thing with Gabe's morning streams. Let's see here, team. Dude, I got my 2 coffees. It's a Thursday. It's nice out finally in Boston, so it doesn't feel like shitty. So it's like nice when you walk outside. I don't have to like YOLO it, roll the dice on if it's going to be too cold to walk to the gym. Now I can just go. If it gets cold next week, though, I might cry and be like, that sucks. I don't want to deal with this. But you never know. Who knows? Hopefully it stays warm. That'd be great. I'd really enjoy that. I like the warm weather. I hate the cold. I chose a really, really cold place to live because I'm fucking stupid. All right, let's see. Load the green ink because the print team is here. Let's go, Stockbanger. Love you, buddy. Love you, buddy. But yeah, shout out to all you guys in Master. Shout out to all you guys that have been with us for an extended period of time. You guys are really starting to see kind of where we're going with things and how things are being added and kind of the overall workflow and how we navigate the markets. It's nasty. You guys just keep one-upping yourselves every single week in the community. It's disgusting. I love it. All right, team. What are we going to get? All right. Dude, I woke up this morning. Like, my sunburn's fine. Like, it doesn't hurt anymore. Also, I did get a haircut yesterday. Like a little mini one. But the problem is like, my face just feels dry still. So, like, kind of fucked. Going to the playground this weekend. I don't want to be shedding skin at the playground. That's gross. How's the sunburn? Nah, it's fine. Who is your first lifetime member? Just curious. I don't actually know. Might have been UDM. It might have been Tabasco. No, I don't know who it was. I'd be curious to see who that was too. I could probably go back and look. You see most tickers on the daily getting pushed back by the 48 or the 200. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, ideally, what I want to see in order for me to love swings, is I want to see the market run. I want to take trades to the downside. I don't know. I mean, again, maybe we see a nice little smooth run up into the next CPI or not CPI, next FOMC meeting. But we also have earnings season starting, so swings are going to get a little bit iffy anyway. So I don't know. But what this week is enabling me to do is I can pretty much go back next week or this weekend and go back and see all of the daily traffic light alerts, all of the 4-hour traffic light alerts from all of this week, and pick my poison and see which ones that I like. I'm not interested in swinging anything this week just because of all the data coming out and all the nonsense. So just sticking with the day trades this week, quick base hits, easy money. And then maybe next week I'll start going on the swings again. So, but earnings season is going to kind of, you got to be careful. Like when you're swinging, you got to know when earnings are. You got to know when the SIP of these earnings are. You got to know when the data is coming out, things like that. You're hunting 3 of the dailies. There you go, Algo. There you go, buddy. There you go. I don't know. I'm not I mean, right now, the way the market's looking, there's nothing that's like catching my eye. Usually that's going to happen within the first 10 minutes of market open. Netflix kind of is. Not really, but like Netflix is sort of catching my eye. If the market runs a little bit, pumps Netflix a little, runs it up to potentially these levels right here, 343, and then it dies, that could be a dirty trade all the way down to like 330. I don't think it's going to do that again, but 200 EMA would be a good target there, 13, things like that. So maybe Netflix, Facebook not really doing a whole lot here, but we'll see. I mean, again, same deal, guys. If you guys see anything aggressively moving up or down at market open, let me know and we will go over it. I mean, I'll just start running it with thigh gap. Thigh gap's been disgusting for me. Just absolutely filthy, dude. Filthy, filthy, filthy. All right, folks. Let's see. Oh, dude, I can't even tell you all the cool shit that we have coming for you guys on the platform too. Oh my God. It is going to be awesome. I hope you guys are excited. It's going to be fucking cool what you guys are going to get in the, you guys that aren't in there yet. Oh my Lord. You guys better, don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't fuck around and find out, team. All right, let's see. Are you kidding me? My mouse died already. That's so unfortunate. At least we're on SPY and we don't have to do this. Why is there a heart in the bottom of the chat box? I don't know. Is there a heart? I don't see one. That's kind of weird. I don't see that. Maybe it's like a new YouTube thing. I don't know. But good morning, Daniel. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button as you guys are coming in, helps out a whole lot over here. But let's see. Yeah, it's just a waiting game coming in here with the SPY. See what happens at open. You don't have one? Yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen that before. It might be supers, but I don't think it is. It's emoticons. Ah, okay. That makes more sense. I'm highly offended that YouTube didn't give me a heart too. Yeah, YouTube doesn't love you, Daily Taylor. Let's see. Daily Taylor, it's good to see you in Master Buddy. Hopefully, what do you call it? Hopefully you're finding a lot of value in there. As much as all the others are too. The heart is if you're watching on mobile. Ah, interesting. Maybe I should know that. Maybe I should know that because, like, you know, I do the YouTube thing a lot. You know, you feel slighted by the heart. That's funny. Dude, it's been a good week. All green days so far this week. I've missed one day trade. I am, sir. Thank you. Awesome, Daily Taylor. Yeah, I've only lost one day trade this week. I'm 9 for 10 with thigh gap. So see if we can keep that streak going today. Just be patient, see what happens, and nail some more trades. 90% win rate is pretty fucking good. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie, I'm pretty happy with 90% right now. Just absolutely murdering these trades, dude. Market today is going to pay for your Razor product edition. Wait, what? Razor? Like scooters or like shaving? It sends them floating in the air, so kind of useless for the amount of space it takes. What are you talking about, Daniel? What's that? Who sends what floating in the air? But yeah, guys, I mean, that's kind of how it goes with thigh gap, the way I'm playing it. I mean, the risk reward's great. The win rate's solid. I mean, it's pretty dirty. Oh, the gaming stuff? Oh, I don't know what that is, but that's pretty cool. Have fun. I like to, I got to figure out some stuff that I'm going to do this summer. Oh, dude, guys, listen to this. Have I ever told you guys about how my friends one of my friends will like make fun of me when we go out on my deck. And because like you can see a bunch of the other apartment buildings pools and we don't have a pool. I've told you that, right? Where like one of my buddies who's like pretty successful, he's like, well, you don't have a pool. And then my deck looks at the nicest buildings pool. And I'm like, that's nonsense. But I've told you guys that, right? Give me a yes or no that we've talked about the pool situation where I don't have a pool and it makes me sad. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Have we talked about the pool or not? Either way, you guys know. Either way, you guys know. Let's see. Okay, James says N. I don't know what that means. Get a pool and a hot tub. I can't just get one. No. Okay, so that's one okay. I thought we talked about that before. So yeah, I don't have a pool. maybe in an afternoon stream when you weren't there. Yeah, I feel like we brought it up. But so my buddy from high school, he lived in this building last summer because he was doing an internship. And his parents just like were like, "Oh, you need a place to stay, just stay here." So he didn't stay with me; he had his own spot. But now he's coming back this summer, and he's messaging me, and he's like, "Yo, guess where I'm staying?" And he's like, "I'm like, where?" He's like, "This place," and I'm like, "No fucking way!" I'm like, "That's insane." And he was like, "I know." Surprisingly, that's like the most, like the least expensive place for him to go this summer, which is weird because it's supposed to be like the nicest building. But it has a pool. So now I have pool access all summer, which is sick. Make a friend that has a pool. No, I did. My buddy's moving in and he has a pool now. I think a late afternoon stream, it confirmed you were poor. But yeah, so now I have a pool, which is great. Well, not pool parties, but like we can invite people over and like go to the pool, which is like sick. You know how cool that is, being hungover and being able to go in the pool. Oh my God, that's like the best thing of all time. It's supposed to be 80 in Maine. Damn, bro. Damn, Nettie. That's insane. That's insane. Great. Red Lobster STV all summer. Yup. I'm going to get tan as shit. But the thing is, too, is like I'm inside with you guys all day long. So, like, when am I actually going to do that? Not during the week. On the weekends, maybe, but like I got shit to do. Usually, nighttime is my only free time. Like, I got nighttime. That's it. Might have to make some pool time, though. I'm going to have to steal my buddy's extra key so that I can just walk in and go to the pool. I think he'd give it to me, too. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's make some fucking money today. Welcome to Print City, everybody. This is going to be a great day. I mean, again, we're in Print City. We're up nicely for the week, 9 for 10. Pretty solid. Just a lot of baby scalps there, man. But again, for those of you guys that are still interested in joining the platform and getting access to the limited time offer deal, $5 for your first month. The QR code's on the screen. The link is at the top of the live chat there. Let me actually grab that for you guys. I'll throw it in there for you guys that just somehow can't see it. So here it is. Use code PRINTCITY in all caps at checkout, and you guys are good to go. $5 for your first month. Come see why thousands of people are printing with this strategy every single day, team. Yeah, thigh gap, everything is just dirty. 81 degrees in Minnesota yesterday. Damn. Word on the street is you can't get sunburn in a pool at night. That's kind of cool. Here's the thing, though. I don't know what the rules are about using the pool at night because it's a deck and it also has grills. So people are going to be out there probably. Like I've been out on my deck at like 2, 3 in the morning, but there's no pool. So like that's not really a safety hazard. I feel like having a pool is a safety hazard. Coming this summer, STV After Hours with your host, Aloe Soaked STV. Yeah. But I believe that is the word on the street, dumb Boston. Yeah, there you go. That's true. Yeah, I think it's supposed to be nice today in Boston. Let me look. I was looking at this because I was like, oh, maybe it's going to be nice out. Yeah. Wow. At 1. It's going to be 81 at 2 p.m. today. Holy shit. Holy shit. It is going to be nice as hell today. You're welcome, Boston, for me bringing the warm weather back. You guys are all welcome. You those of you guys who live up north. I took one for the team, got the most aggressive sunburn of all time, and now I brought the weather back. You don't need to be rich to have a pool. You live in a double wide trailer, you got a pool, a hot tub. I'm not rich, you're irresponsible. Well, that's yeah, fair enough. Very true. But my building just doesn't have a pool, which I should have considered before hopping in to get in this lease. So, but I didn't because I was rushed and I had to drive all the way to Ocean City, Maryland, and get a bunch of toll tickets. Thanks, man. You brought the sun back up north. Yeah, you guys are all welcome. I took one for the team and just like I got the sun on my skin. I came back here and was just like whoosh out. Ocean City? Nah, dude. Ocean City is just strange, dude. You moved from California to Maine. Oh yeah, there you go, Nettie. Warm winter unusually warm winter since you. Oh, that's pretty nice. For reference, our pool closes at 8 p.m. on weekdays, 10 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Oh, so maybe it's just a different deck. I don't know, dude. I don't live there. I live here. So we're gonna have to figure this out when my buddy moves. But it's in June. I think he moves in June, which is kind of sick. It's like just in time. Oh my God, guys, we are 22 likes away from 100 already in the pre-market. Thank you for all of you guys that are engaging on the videos. Means a lot to me. It helps me out a whole lot. Got to run. We are testing something dirty this morning. Hope you all have a great day. Algo. That's awesome, bro. I'm from Maryland. I know it's strange. Yeah, I didn't know it was strange. And then I ended up there and I was like, what the fuck am I doing here? One of my buddies got so hammered, he's laying on his back on the pavement in a parking lot. Some fat dude who's also hammered comes and like lays next to him and just like is like, "Hey man, how you doing?" And then my buddy's like on the verge of passing out, and the dude just puts a cigarette in his mouth, lights it, and my buddy's just like, "Thank you." Like, dude, Ocean City was a weird time. And there was surprisingly nobody there on like Labor Day or what is Memorial Day weekend. It was weird. It was strange. I thought people were going to be there. Nobody was there. Netflix is looking interesting this morning. Dude, I am so hungry. Real team player? Yeah, you're welcome, guys. You people are all welcome for me bringing back the warm weather. All right, team. Let's see what we're going to get. I'm pumped. I love this shit. This is so much fun. Imagine like what we actually do during the day. We literally just look at the screen and we press a bunch of buttons on our phone and we make shitloads of money. It's awesome, dude. What a life we live, man. It's fun. You were in Ocean City, Maryland 2 weeks ago. It was weird in the winter. No people, but great parking. Dude, I thought I was going to get a parking ticket. Like, it's a bunch of nonsense, dude. Bunch of nonsense across the board. But team, let's see. We got 23 minutes to go here until open. Let's get after it today, guys. Let's get it done. All right. No singing. No singing. Sorry. I apologize. I wish we could blast music on YouTube. That would be so much fun. We just can't, though. Not allowed. They're going to be like, no, bad. You're trying to steal. No. It's like, dude, why can't I just listen to some fucking music? Nope. Straight to jail. All right, let's see. Ooh, I think I'm going to be posting a little Rumble video for you guys. Not even non-copyrighted music. I mean, you can, but then what's the fun in that? Like, I don't know any non-copyrighted music off the top of my head. So, like, what's the point in that? You know? Like, what's the point in that? Ooh, I got some more of you affiliates I got to approve. There you guys go. There you guys go, Mr. and Mrs. Affiliates over there. We just start blasting Yeet all day. No, we're not going to play AC/DC. Sorry, Vic. If I'm in control of the music, I'm in control of the music. Use Tor's music for background music. That would actually be a great idea. I like Tor's music. The happy birthday song? I'd rather jump out my window, but you know. Stupid work. Had to walk an ancient lady through installing apps on her personal laptop. Oh boy. Thunderstruck. Dude, that's like a drinking game. Thunderstruck? We're not trying to drink, bro. We're not playing the Thunderstruck. We can't play that all day long. We would literally die from liver failure after an hour of that song playing. You guys ever play Thunderstruck? I'll give you a hint. You drink every time they say Thunderstruck. Instead, you can just sing Bob the Builder. I mean, we could do that, but we're not gonna. So that was a one-day thing. And no, we're not doing that. So sorry. Get busy. All right. Dragon Tales? We could do that one. Thunderstruck is in all the Disney movies? There's no way. There's no way that these parents are just sitting there like, all right, let's get hammered. I mean, I would like, all right, seriously though, you guys have never played the Thunderstruck drinking song. Nobody's like, oh yeah, I've done that. Like, come on now. You've never played this game? You've never like stood around in a circle with your boys? I mean, this is like a frat thing, which I was never a part of a frat. I just went to all the parties. Come to think of it, I'm really good at like knowing people for parties. I used to do this in college too. I would just know people in college for sure. Yeah. That's a recent invention? You boomers haven't played Thunderstruck? What? How's PPI lower than expected? Hold on, bro. No way. Bro, I don't even really play drinking games like that, and I've played this game. That and Roxanne? Yeah, it's the two song, Roxanne. God, I can't believe you guys haven't played this. Also, there's like 100 of you guys in here that have not hit the like button yet. Slackers! Let's see. Yeah. Oh, so you guys use Roxanne to do it? Okay. I've done that with like exercises before. Like there's like exercises with Roxanne, but I haven't like drank and done it. It used to be Roxanne. Oh, okay. We just drank, period. Oh, you guys just played sit and drink. That's fair enough, man. Fair enough. You guys got to do what you got to do. Seen it at a bar? People do it at a bar? Oh, that's reckless. That's reckless. Boomers don't need drinking games? Fair. It was like 2 years ago. Roxanne. Yeah, it's the same game, just a different song. Stack Cup is really fun. We play a lot of Stack Cup. That's a fun one. I got put in the death corner one time with that thing. Oh my God. That was on my buddy's birthday. That was not a fun experience for me. If I could think of more fun experiences, I could think of a lot of them. Quarters. Is that the game where you put your hand on the thing and throw quarters at each other? That game's just silly. I don't even think that's a drinking game. Is beer pong still a thing? Hell yeah, it is. You ever play 21? 21's great. It is Thirsty Thursday, guys. It is Thirsty Thursday. I won't be drinking, but there's this place around here called Cisco, and it opens today, and it's like this outdoor drinking thing. I will not be going because I have, shit to do. But I mean, it's open. I'm curious to see what Gabe has cooked up for the toast strategy. Oh, it's pretty cool. We were going over it last night. It's pretty cool. It has to do with risk management. I'll give you guys that hint, but that's all. It's a real good risk management concept. Bounce a quarter in a shot glass. Oh, that's fun. That sounds cool. But all right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are almost at 150 before market open. You guys are crushing it today. We're going to have some fun. Again, for all of you guys sitting on the sidelines here, remember, $5 here first month. Come in and see why we have so many people printing. And again, the reason why our members have so much success is we do things differently. You see these other communities just struggling all the time. Nobody has consistency. We do. Used to play Tiger Woods PGA Tour and Whoa! I actually have a game. For it's Tiger Woods, but it was the Rory McIlroy game. I forget what it was. We had like a whole set of rules that we would play in college for like a drinking game. I used to play it with a bunch of kids from the UK. Best game ever. We called it because one of my friends' last name was Gory, so we would call it like one of my other friends couldn't pronounce McIlroy, so we called him McIlroy. So it was Gory McIlroy was the game, is what we called it. And it was like, if you miss the fairway, 2 drinks. If you bogey it, it's +1. If you birdie it, you give out a drink. You eagle it, you give out 2. Par is still drink. Like, if you were only playing 9 holes, you doubled all of the rules. Like, it was a fun game. Artist Mike. Is that like Mike Stud? He just changed his name to Mike? Is it that guy? So PPI, all you really got to know is it came in lower than expected. I believe it came in at 2.7 year over year versus 3. Gory Italian? Nah, he's not. I mean, he might be, but he's from like Australia. The Aussies. Dude, I gotta fly all those kids into Boston and then have a time. Those kids are cool. El Bago, that's a cool hot tub there, buddy. There you go, bro. There you go, making it work over there, bud. Used to play Tiger Woods PGA at my friend's house when I was younger. His 55-year-old mom was an absolute dog at that game. She would usually win. What was it on? Was it on the Wii? I think I had like Tiger Woods PGA Tour like 2008 or something on the Wii. And I was a menace at that game, dude. An absolute menace. His family's in the lumber business. Oh, they were straight from Italy? Yeah, I don't think these are. I mean, my buddies, I think his parents got something good going on. They got houses everywhere and like nice spots. Cool kid too. Very cool kid. Smart dude too. Xbox 360. There you guys go. All right, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. I think it's time for some of you guys in the masterclass to go over to with Gabe. Again, for those of you guys that are still interested, all you guys got to do, go to your subscriptions area, hit Get Master, and you guys are all good. Bitcoin's climbing, people moving in from recession fears. Not because of that. I think it's just a technical move up and kind of what the dollar's doing. So it's a technical move and kind of based on what the dollar's doing. It's not necessarily from recession fears. It's almost like Bitcoin's at the point where it's like indexed, where like it's tied to so many other things that like it's not gonna like disjoint as much as it used to be able to in the past, you know. See you after masterclass. There you guys go. Again, those of you guys interested, you know where to go. We have a lot of awesome stuff coming for you guys in master. We got a great masterclass coming up for you guys on Sunday. There you guys go. Taking it to the next level. Shout out to you guys. All right, folks. Just joined Master Vic. There we go, buddy. Good PPI, not really moving indices. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What else do we have today? I thought we had some more shit. Oh, no, it's all at 8:30. We don't have anything else today. Maybe we get some Fed speakers here and there, but other than that, this could just be nice, clean action today. Pilot Vic, there we go, buddy. There we go. Shout out to you joining Master. There you guys go. Again, team, let's do it. Speaking of the dollar, Dixie's down 0.5%. That makes sense. That makes sense, team. Dude, I'm like so hungry all the time. Like so hungry. I'm like at that time now where I just like fucking YOLO it out and just get shredded. Again, as I usually get. You're a grown boy? Nah, that's not really it. Oh, God, no. No more Twitter. Levels on Tesla? I mean, you got this 183, 182.60. I mean, if you're looking at it on the daily. Look at it on the daily, the 4 hour. So all you have to do, Dimmelson, is 2 or 3 levels from the daily, 2 or 3 levels from the 4 hour, flip it over to the 5 minute and go get some big levels from the last few days. So you got that 185 up here. You got the 180, 189. You've got some of these levels in here, 182.50, some of those. So some of those big levels in here on Tesla. But again, if you're just trading with thigh gap and reading the momentum, you're using levels is almost like as kind of a guide. Like if it bounces off a level and you also see thigh gap, it gives me more conviction in the play. Does that make sense, guys? Dixie touched 101. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, Mario Kart drinking game. Drink every balloon lost. Shot if you get knocked out. Repeat blackout. Oh God. See, I'm not really like. I think I've come to the conclusion now that I don't need to get super fucked up all the time. Like I just don't want to. Like last time I was at a playground, not the playground, I think I had 3 tequilas all night. That's it. Just chilling. Having an amazing time. Thanks for all you guys do. 1348, 362 Goon. We appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, shout out to all you guys that have been with us for a while. You guys are really starting to see So some really awesome progress, which is awesome, man. I love seeing you guys win. But let's see, guys. For those of you guys that haven't hit the like button yet, make sure you do it. 10 minutes to go until open. Let's do it. Dude, we're going to have some fun today. Actually, that's not the coffee. This is the coffee. My face feels less dry now with a little Aquaphor on it, which is pretty good. What are we looking at today? Same thing as usual, guys. SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA, AMD, Netflix, Facebook, things of that nature. Hello, all. DC fan for life. What up, buddy? Dixie R sign the 4 hours at 25 oversold. Ooh, that's not great. And the VIX is super low, I believe, too. Unless it popped yesterday. I mean, guys, you're kind of right at this little zone here where it likes to jump out of. Oh, boy. Uh-oh, spaghetti. Maybe we could slip a little bit more here with thigh gap, but uh-oh. I mean, yeah, you got a little bit more room to the downside here. So, again, that 420 on the SPY is kind of what I'm looking for, but uh-oh. Microsoft, what do we got here? Ooh, hello. Oh, my Lord, Microsoft, you're calling my name for next week. Microsoft, you're calling. So is Amazon, actually. Where is Amazon? I want Amazon back up here. Amazon's just been showing some fucking weakness. Where's this on the 4 hour? Ah! Look at that. Daily traffic light incoming. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, don't you tempt me with a good time on the swings. Don't you tempt me with a good time on the swings. Now you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yeah, you need that You need that confirmation move that it's gonna break up. But yeah, I see exactly what you're seeing. Also, look at yields. You could look at the yields too on the 4 hour. I mean, if these are getting bought up, yeah, these are getting bought up. 4 hour, this thing's low too. I mean, dude, everything is goddamn. Everything is showing that sign, dude. Everything is. I mean, not really. Like they still have more room to drop with these RSIs, but like, come on now. All right, 8 minutes to go until open. Put season soon. I want the market at 420. I want to go short at like 415, 420. That's where I want. That's where I feel safe. It's like a $10 move up, sort of back down to 410, 400. Not like actually, but like just like use the use that as a guide. I would love for it to be put season soon, buddy. I mean, I honestly don't care because if I'm going to trade with thigh gap, it doesn't really matter. Let's see. All right, team. 7 minutes to go. Here we go, everybody. This is going to get spicy. Let's see if there's anything useful on Twitter or we can just point out the people that I'm going to make really upset that they didn't listen to me over the last few months here. Oh, here we go. Yeah, nothing useful on Twitter. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys are very interested in a lot of the algorithms that we've been building. We're going to continue putting out videos of those. The next 2 videos that I'm posting with the Ritas are going to be absolutely disgusting. I have 2 videos that I have to make for it. It's going to be disgusting. Oops, what was that? Oh, no. God, I'm so hungry. No, sorting sin. No, bad. Misbehave. Don't be doing any of that nonsense over there, pal. But yeah, let's see if we get a nice little reaction off the inflation data. SPY slipping a little bit here. Let's see what we get at open. Don't you be misbehaving over there. We give you guys the rules for the sorry, Sin. I know you know what you're doing, but all right. Let's see. What did I go to college for? Finance. It was useless though. I learned everything that I talk about with you guys all on my own. I mean, there's maybe 2 concepts that I learned in college from all my 4 years there that are applicable to what we do now. Finance majors are useless. Even if you're going into finance, it doesn't like, you would need like you would almost need like a master's in like financial math in order to actually get the information that you need to go right in and be useful to a firm. What did the data say? It was relatively good. Continuing claims were lower. Initial claims were higher, meaning more people filing for unemployment benefits. And then PPI was lower than expected. So that's good. I mean, that's moving in the right direction. That's not a bad thing. And talk to us when he should have been in class. Yeah, I always just would come hang out with you guys because I already knew what they were talking about. Or I just kind of said like, oh, this is kind of useless for me. I don't really need to know this fucking little matrix that you've got here with the quadrants of something. I'm like, I don't really care at all. Sorry. Thanks, Vix. No problem, Jamie. No problem, buddy. All right, guys, 4 minutes to go until open. You guys are running up the like button on a Thursday. I love it. Have I looked at the 10-2? It's inverted, isn't it? It's like very inverted, isn't it? There's another one, though, that's a better predictor of recessions, and I think it has to do with like a 3 something. It's like a 3-month, or I'd have to look at what it is. I forget exactly what it is. The 10-2, I believe, is what people most likely use, or the 2-10. But there's another one that's actually a little bit better and more accurate. I forget which one it is, though. Is it 530? Is it that one? Yeah, I just forget the exact maturities on them. All right. Last 3-minute candle before open. Then it's the games begin, man. Then the games begin. Let's see. Hold on. Just curious. I want to go to school for something in the field. Still don't know what I want to do with the certificates once you get them. I wouldn't even go to school for it. I seriously wouldn't. Because in order to, okay, so here's how it works. The way that like investment banking and things work is there's things called target schools and non-target schools. If you just go and learn the information out of non-target school, it's going to be relatively impossible to break into Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Citibank, Bank of America, things like that. You might get Northwestern Mutual, but it's going to be very difficult. So unless you know somebody in the industry or you have a lot of connections that they know you, they know your ability, and then you can get the job. But even in this marketplace right now, it's very difficult for not even necessarily just non-target, but for just people coming out of college in general to get jobs at these investment banks, because you're not generating revenue for them. Like when you come out and you're an analyst, you're not really a revenue generator. You're a cost to the company so that you can learn and eventually generate revenue for them and basically allow others to start generating some revenue. Like you're working on the deals that somebody else has generated. So it's not like you're almost a cost to them. And everybody and their mother wants to get into finance these days. So it's incredibly competitive. So what I would do is almost just say, okay, it's almost more worth it to just meet people in the field, go to networking events, put yourselves in the circles of these people, and then show them what your abilities are, if that makes sense. Netflix killing it. Got in at 3:30 yesterday at the close. Nice. Yeah, Netflix is definitely one on my radar here. 339. I mean, dude, I had those 350s for a while that were cranking. Oh, 1 minute to go until open. We burned some time there. 30 seconds here. Here we go, team. What's good, Vix? Have a good day, buddy. You too. Shoot the moon. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Share the stream with anybody you want to. Get the more people in here and spread the powerful message that we are providing you guys here of Trade 1348 in the platform. Again, QR codes highlighted on the screen here. Make sure that you guys are hopping in before open, and you guys know where to go to get master now. Go to your subscriptions area, and you guys are good to go to hop in and get all that additional value. But team, 5 seconds. Here we go. About to get the ding ding. Let's make some damn money today, huh? I honestly have no bias here. I've got no bias. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see what's moving. Anything doing anything crazy at open? Nancy is. Nancy's doing what Nancy does. AMD, not so much. Netflix, it made an attempt there. Let's. Oh boy, here we go. Amazon, here we go. Here we go. Amazon's starting to get a little spicy. Let's see if we get that extension move, and then we can catch it to the downside if the market wants to die. Let's see. 99.62 is going to be an interesting level up here if we can get there. Let's see. Your friend's uncle works for Edward Jones. Your father-in-law is kind of high up at Boeing. That would definitely be very helpful, T-sir. But you got to realize, like, it's hard. It's going to take you enough time. It's going to cost a lot of money, and you probably it's almost like a risk reward. It's like the investment of going to school for it almost doesn't make sense, right? I mean, unless you're in. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm thinking more so that you're an individual that wants to go back to college. Like, you're older. If you're in high school right now and you're looking somewhere to go in college, I would say run it, do it, and spend those years learning the skills that you need. You can probably get your Series 7 in college if you're, what do you call it? Your, if your uncle's at Edward Jones, they'll probably sponsor you. All right, Amazon's ripping here. Spy's doing its thing. Tessie trying. Nancy, here we go. Nancy's starting to get a little juicy here. Oh, you graduated last year. Yeah, I mean, my buddy's doing I think he's doing an MS in finance at Vanderbilt starting in the fall. The one that's moving into the building over here. Yeah, an MS in finance, it's like a year or two. It's not that bad. I would not do an MBA, though. Personally, for me, I think MBAs are nonsense. Unless you're going to go to, like, Harvard. Oh, high school. Oh, different story. T-sir, shoot me a message. I'll talk to you about that stuff. All right. Amazon is extending like a motherfucker here. Nancy's sort of doing something similar, but the wicks are crazy. Tessie not doing much. Let's see here. It's the first 3-minute candle, guys. I mean, I don't see anything I really like yet. I mean, again, Amazon's catching my eye. Where's Microsoft? Facebook? Microsoft, not really. Where's Facebook? Facebook, another one catching my eye here. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. We're going to put this right here. Kind of watch these two, Amazon and Facebook. Let's see. All right, guys. If you guys wouldn't mind too, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps get some more people in here. Yeah, I'm just hunting right now. Let's Tessie. That kind of looks interesting. Tessie hunting. This 200 could get interesting here. Where's the lows of yesterday? Yeah, that's slippage on Tessie. Facebook doesn't give a fuck. Tessie on the 3-minute breaking that 200 here. You're about to start flashing a 3-minute traffic light. That could get a little spicy. Yeah, Tessie slipping here. Spy, a little bit. Nothing crazy, though. I mean, I almost want to wait for Tessie to get extended and play it back up. I mean, Facebook, was there Facebook news? Because this looks like a news move on Facebook. Like, that's like, this market's coming down. Facebook just doesn't give a fuck. ByteDance reportedly paying developers to create VR for headsets. Meta Platforms is maintained at a buy at Goldman Sachs. Oh, price target upgrade. 245 from 215 at Goldman. That's what it is. That's what it is on Facebook. Tessie right back up. Again, you got to wait for these candle closes. No, it's too much. Let's see. Apple looks strong. Let's check it real quick. Apple does look. Apple is extending though. Hot on the RSI. A lot of these things are getting extended here. You think that one is roomy? So many fake fixes on the Discord. Yeah, let me see. I didn't see it pop up on my thing, but let me look. Did you just hold on? Yeah, try to do it on Twitter or Instagram. That's a lot easier for me to see. Tessie back down. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Come on. What are we going to get? Nancy slipping. Tessie, real big move there. Tesla tanking. Tesla not having fun. Amazon pumping back up. Nvidia sharking here. Hold on. Tessie right at a level. AMD slipping now. SPY's right at this 3-minute 200 though. Right at the 3-minute 200. Yeah, it's right there. Let's see. It's flashing a little. Amazon doesn't really care. Facebook's getting sold into a little bit. Let's see. SPY dropping. It's right at the 3-minute 200. Tesla right back up. Look at that, dude. Look at this move on Tessie. Holy shit. How big is that? Oh, it's over $1. Holy shit. Off the low. Amazon ripping. Facebook's still going. Wow. Look at that, dude. Look at that move on Tessie. That's some fuck you buying behavior there. Holy shit. That is large. That is just like large, bro. Yeah, Amazon way above that level now, screaming towards 100. Dude, this is just nutty. Tessie just fucking ripping. I mean, where's Nancy here? It's sort of. Like, I'm looking for my setup. I just don't. Kind of got it here. No, it's too fucking quick. Just waiting for my opportunity team to strike. Just waiting to strike. I haven't touched shit yet. Nothing. If I don't see it, SPY's just in chop land. Look at the, you can't see the thigh gap, but thigh gap's painting neutral. Just realized I'm not following the Twitter. What the heck, bro? You better be following the Instagram too. Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all short the VIX1. This is cooking, bro. Twitter saying I can't send the message. Short the VIX1, you should be able to send a message. All right, Amazon slipping. Nancy at the 200 on the, well, that's the 1 minute. I don't really give a shit about that, do I now? I don't know. I'm just hunting, guys. It's just a hunt. Seeing what my setup, I'm hunting for the setup. What are we going to get today? Nancy, 3-minute traffic light down. That I don't hate, actually. It's 200 your risk right here. 265.26. I'd rather touch like this, though. Or this. Because SPY's just flatline. SPY's doing nothing. It's not sending. All right, go on Instagram. Instagram will be better. Let's see. All right. We got Amazon flickering. SPY trying to move back up. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, shut up, Siri. Don't need any of your shit. Okay? Thanks. Let's see. Let's see. Tesla 3 1-minute yellow dots in a row. Yeah, that makes sense, dude. Just because it's so choppy around just everywhere. All right, 5 seconds to new candles. Let's see what we got. I need a flush. Cool. SPY looking to lose 409 again. It just keeps bouncing here. Market is flatter than your girlfriend. Jesus, that's not very nice to your girlfriend. That's not very nice. Nancy getting killed, dude. Nancy could be a good move back up a little bit later. Look at this thing dying. Let's see. SPY just flatlined here, bro. Just flatlined. Look at this. Let's see. Dude, there's just nothing. There's just nothing. Where's Tessie? Nothing. Nvidia's trying. Amazon shooting again. Facebook just consolidating up here, bro. AMD's trying to get a yellow on the daily. Interesting. No, these things look a little jumpy. Like, these just wicks on Tesla are just ridiculous. Like, those are insane. Yeah, it looks like it's just a waiting game with the SPY. Maybe it gets a break here. Huh. Classic Stresslowix. Yeah, I don't really see much I like, man. Amazon's just pumping, Facebook's pumping. Let's see if SPY can get a break here. It's trying. Let's see. Tesla broke 183, closing on the 3-minute. Oh, wow. That's a big ass move on Tesla. Holy shit. There you go. Uh, let's see what we got here. Nancy Shark. Nancy getting killed. Cool. Up 59% on your port. Thanks to you guys. Thanks to you guys. Thank God for your existence. I pray for your wealth daily. 1348. See it. There you go, buddy. Oh my lord. There you go, bro. Shout out to you, Shoot the Moon. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. SPY's just doing 0. Did this just... Dude, these moves are nuts today. What's up with Nancy here? Hello. Wow, wow, wow. Look at those wicks, bro. Do we have news at 10? No, no news at 10. No news at 10. Let's see. Tessie will move down. Slow day, dude. This is really, really choppy. So it might just be a move to just do nothing. We're back. What up, team? We learned the T method in the masterclass. There you guys go. That video, I think, is going to be going out for you guys a little bit later, too. Oh, boy. I hope you guys are excited for that one, dude. Dude, this market is Chop City today, dude. Chop City. Gabe's dropping some bombs in the masterclass. There you guys go. There you guys go. Oh my God. Remember, guys, you guys know where to go to upgrade to master. You guys know exactly where you need to be for that. Woo! Another fire masterclass. There goes Nancy. Nancy's starting to get a little spicy. Holy fucking NVIDIA here, dude. Jesus. Look at that thing go. Where's Netflix? Netflix made a nice little thigh gap move here. Nothing crazy, but it did it. Let's see. SPY chilling. Everything else starting to move. Yeah, it is. Nancy right back down. That was a big ass candle. SPY doing its thing again. Amazon doing its thing again. Let's see. No, Nancy sharking. Dude, SPY just keeps bouncing off this fucking 200. Oh, there's a slip. There's a slip on SPY. There's the slippity. Yeah. 12% on Netflix, 13 tests. Nice. Nice. Yeah, SPY bounced a little. This is the worst price action of all time. Like, on the SPY, dude, this sucks. That's like the worst price action of all time. Let's see. Nancy looking a little spicy here. Hunted this 3-minute traffic light to the upside. Let's see what it wants to do. Amazon chilling. Netflix coming down. Where's Facebook? It's making an attempt. Let's see. Yeah, we have a lot of data coming out tomorrow too. This is not a good trading environment. No, you're right. This is not a good trading environment here. AMD getting hit here a little bit. Let's see. Amazon good because of the thigh gap on the 3-minute. It doesn't look bad. It's just your risk is like right here or dark light. I mean, this RSI is cooked. SPY's just so fucking flat here. This is rare. That is rare. Seeing price literally not move like this is very rare. This is just coiling for something, I think. Like, you got like high low, you got the 200, and then you got this. Where's it gonna go? Let's see. Let's see. Lamed up. Dude, this is very lame price action right here. It's doing nothing. Look at this. 0. Let's say SPY is basically barcoding. It is. That's all it's doing here. That is legitimately all it's doing here, guys. There goes Amazon up. Like, these things are just weirdly moving right now. So happy to be a lifetimer. Today's masterclass was the best yet. Have a good day, everyone. Something about Susan. There you go. Yeah, shout out to all you guys in the masterclass tier. Remember, all you guys know exactly where to go if you guys do want to hop in there and get that. You go into your subscriptions tab in platform, and then you guys are all good to go. The masterclass was fired. There you go, Daily Taylor. There you guys go. Oh, I love seeing you guys win. US stocks extend gains like fucking barely. Oh, there it goes a little. Let's see. Amazon is ripping. Dude, I know. Look at this thing. Hey, you're just waiting for the chips to catch up. If AMD with a nice little move there. Let's see. 140% on some KMX puts. Nice, bro. Yeah, this range on AMD is pretty tight here, too. Let's see. Let's see. $11% today and out. Holy shit, Vito. There you go, bro. There goes AMD. Dude, you guys are crushing it. Again, guys, remember, I'll throw the link in the live chat here. Remember, everybody gets their first month to the platform for $5. So there you guys go right there. Use code Print City, and you guys should be all good to go. Spy thinking about breaking and holding resistance level? Maybe. It's trying. It's not, I mean, it's doing its very best. AMD is looking good here. Dude, AMD, the winner, right? Oh no, that was some wizard shit. Never mind. Let's see if Nancy can get a little juicy here. Dia, the Dow? Dude, AMD is just on a fucking mission here. Look at that thigh gap trade. I mean, you get stopped on this one, that's fine. And then you just blast it to the upside there. Jeez. So let's see if Spy can get all the way up to 410. Nancy's looking a little spicy here. Let's see. Dude, AMD looks like the winner here off of this thigh gap move. 63 cents. That's pretty good. Apple's the winner, is it? What goes up must come down. Right, but what chop zones is like this could get interesting here. So we'll see. Let's see what Spy wants to do. AMD was interesting. Yeah. Yeah, nice little traffic light here. Let's see what this thing wants to do. 68% on Amazon and out. 4.4% on the port. Would have stayed in, but got to take text to the vet. Thanks, STV. Have a good day. Scratch golf. You too, buddy. Fuck yeah, bro. There you guys go. Coming in with the big gains over here. Facebook looking to move down. It's been looking to move down, and then it just baits and switches. I probably wouldn't touch this here. Hey, you're looking to break 410. If the market can break 410, that could get interesting. Here comes a little AMD looking okay. AMD going. Let's see if Nancy gets that boost too. AMD looks to be the winner out of the two. Yeah, AMD is the winner out of the two with these. So let's see if Nancy ends up getting that boost up. What's Tessie doing? Tessie looking okay. Spy's trying here. Let's see. Better brokers have a long-term port with? I mean, TD's good. I mean, it really just depends. It doesn't really matter with long-term. Like, it really doesn't. When you think about it, it doesn't really matter all that much. Here we go. Here we go, Nancy. Oh, that was just disgusting there. It's Nancy looking interesting. Spy finally picking a direction. It's trying to get above 410. That's what it's trying to do. All right, let's see. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here she comes. Let's see. There's the break. Order fill. Damn, bro. I'm up 15% on 16% on some Nvidias over 17% on some Nvidia next week's. It's pretty good. Pretty good, man. Not bad. So pretty nasty. This was just a traffic light play. Like you guys were asking me before, it's like, do you trade the traffic light still? It's like, yeah, I do. I still trade the traffic lights. This is just a clean traffic light play on Nvidia here. I'm up 20% on this. All right, another scale out. I'm literally just biting on these. Just scale out, scale out, scale out. So looking good across the board on this. Dude, this is a nasty trade. So let's see if Nancy can come out and take these highs out. I've scaled out the vast majority of this position. Just gonna kind of wait and see what happens with thigh gap here. That could be what I do. I just wait for it to go light dark on thigh gap on the 3 minute. After a couple of these scale outs here, I've already realized a nasty amount on this trade here, so that's pretty good. Paper trading, what Gabe taught us, up 23%. There you go on the trade, right? On the trade, it's pretty fun. So let's see what happens here. I mean, this is a good trade. I'm up 16%. I'm just gonna kind of let this thing go. 410.30. Like, this could be a fun day. AMD was probably the winner. Yeah, I was looking at AMD right here, trying to snag some calls, and I was like, I don't want to. I'm already in NVIDIA. So big candle. Where did I enter? I mean, it was a mix of thigh gap and hunting this right here. So it's this break right here. This right break of this 200 with the 200 as my risk. Also, right as it's breaking the RSI's moving average. See this? It's breaking the RSI's moving average right here. So it's kind of like a nice flip here. So there it goes again. I'm up 22% on this. Pretty good. Pretty good trade here. Quick 30% on the SPY. There you go. So didn't wait for candle close. Not on this one. Not on this one. NVIDIA, I know like the back of my hand. So I have a general understanding of how that thing moves. So yeah, like if these contracts go to, yeah, that would be sick. If they run up to where I think they can, that would be dirty. I mean, it's just kind of teetering here. You got this level and you got this level up here. I'm just going to watch thigh gap on the remainder of the position, see what happens. Stop set at 10% on TQQQ. Levels are fun. There you go. Put time. I would say give it a little bit. You got to wait and see if this is going to be a bait and switch kind of day. Like, this is a big move on the SPY. I mean, the RSI is cooked. Kind of got to wait and see on that one. All right. I'm going to scale out again here. See if it'll give me this. No, it's not. Let me see if I can get this now. Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah, that's fine. And then I'm just going to watch it with thigh gap. Still up about 17% on these. So I'm literally just taking profits here. Just taking profits off the table. Just slowly getting my profits out. Then going to see what happens here. And then let it fly. So now I'm just watching thigh gap on the 3. I could even do it on the 2 to really get it. But yeah, AMD was the real winner there. Like, if I get another break here and it runs up to here, these contracts are going to be disgusting, bro. Absolutely disgusting. So we'll see. 410.78. God damn, SPY. I mean, these are next week, so they're moving pretty slow, which I don't hate. Let's see. Well, these are still up 15%. So let's see what happens with this. I've scaled out like all of it, basically. So we'll see. Quick 12% on the SPY gains. There you guys go. There you guys go. Remember, team, again, you guys know where to go. For Masterclass, you go into the subscriptions area of platform and you can upgrade through there. But anybody still sitting on the sidelines, QR code is on the screen right here for you guys to join in for $5 for your first month. I will throw that link in here for you guys as well. So here you guys go. Use code Print City. And there you go. Here things start to trickle back lower. Still up 13%. So let's see what happens with this. I'm gonna wait. I'm just testing something here to see when it goes light dark. If I want to continue doing that, or if I just want to fuck around, not like fuck around, but like where my scale outs are. Like I want to see where I can put my scale out sometimes, how much it's gonna move, things of that nature. So SPY coming back up a little bit here. This thing looks pretty strong, so we'll see. So no, up about 14-15% on these. If 410.49 falls, you're going put side. Okay, that's fine. I mean, the RSI's cooked on the 3-minute. I mean, that's kind of what we expect here. We would expect this thing to kind of settle in. Who knows though? You could see a pretty. I mean, you got 20 seconds left on these 3-minute candles. Let's see. All right, Nancy, what do you want to do? What do you want to do today, Mr. Nancy? Let's see. 1% on the port from the SPY traffic light. Dude, I don't even know what people are doing at this point, not trading with traffic lights. Like, I seriously don't. Those of you guys that are still on the sidelines here, I mean, you would be doing yourself a big disservice by not coming in at least for $5 for your first month. So the choice is yours. You want to change the way you're approaching the market and start making some money? Let's do it, team. Yeah, you're at 410.50 here. You're just seeing it cool off. That's kind of what you're looking at here. What you have to be careful of is this being a bait and switch day. SPY up 0.61% and showing some steam out of that consolidation zone. I mean, that definitely could be bait and switch city. Oh, daily support. Gotcha. It's still same deal though. Like, where's the 1-minute 13? You got some room. 410.31. I would almost look at that instead. Let's see. When you're doing thigh gap dark to light, that's only for extended reversals. Otherwise, using no. Traffic lights. Traffic lights. Is Tesla overextended? Yeah. Yeah, I just don't want to chase it down. Like, that's not a bad move. It's just like later in the day is probably when I would do it. I still think there's some meat on the bone here to the upside if these things want to go. I'm up 19.5% on the Nancy's now. It's pretty good, man. I'd love to see it take out this high, 268.10. I just don't know if it's going to do it. Oh, SPY slipped a little bit there. And so you can see this thigh gap candle. It's starting to condense a little. Let's see if this actually goes dark light. But yeah, I mean, Tesla makes sense. It's just I don't want to chase it down right now when I'm still in calls, I don't want to put and call position. There goes Facebook a little bit here, but this break of the 13 is going to be the one. Might just switch to paper since you hit 1%. That's a great idea. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't do that. All right, SPY at the 1-minute 13. Let's see if this is going to be the little bait and switch. Oh, you meant to say traffic lights? Yeah. Mullen is trending on Yahoo. Who cares? Who the fuck cares? Fuck Mullen, bro. Mullen's a piece of shit. 25% on AMD calls. Thank you, Thigh Gap. There you go, Mark. Yeah, dude, Thigh Gap's disgusting. It's a perfect move on Thigh Gap here. I mean, even if you did this one, stopped out, that one would have hurt a little bit. But this one coming back to the upside makes back like all of it and more. So right now, you're just waiting to see if Nancy is consolidating and waiting for a nice break to the upside here, or if it's going to thigh gap back down. So if this goes dark light here, I would probably consider just exiting my entire position, the entire rest of it. But we'll see what happens. I don't know. we'll see what happens. I mean, it's just consolidating here. When that happens, you are going to see thigh gap converge. If it goes light, dark, or dark light, I'll just be out. That's fine. Fine with me. I don't care. I'll take my 17, 18%. Even if it goes down a little bit, I'll probably still be up 14. I was selling them at 20. Like, come on now. Yeah, here it goes. Let's see if it can break this high, 268.10. Up 19% on these right now. 17. Yeah, it's just flickering. Up 11.69%, done for the day. Holy shit. That's not the right cup. This does look like it's going to go dark light here, unless something ridiculous happens. Let's see. All right, guys. Yeah. Also, as you guys are filtering in, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. All right. That's about to go light dark, but the candle needs to close. See, candle needs to close. Oh, you guys can't see it, but candle needs to close, which is 20 seconds. Then I get another candle. They're going to fuck with me on this one. I got 10 seconds. I got 10 seconds. Let's see if it stays dark. I don't think it will. It might. It might stay dark. Oh, that's nonsense. What is this? Come on. That's nonsense here. All right, Nancy. This is back to dark. I need a closing candle on light. I'm back up 16% on these. Let's see. Facebook got the light. Yeah, I know. Facebook's hunting it. SPY just looks like it wants to get spicy here. Get busy. All right, let's see. Where's AM? Ooh, this could get interesting. AMD with a retest here. That's a little spicy. Yeah, SPY is hunting highs too. Come on, break the 268.10. I want to see what happens. Because watch, it's going to go light dark, and then I'm going to be like, oh, fuck me. And then it's just going to rip for the rest of the day, and I'm going to be upset with myself. AMD stuck in pre-market 92.80. Yeah, maybe it's NVIDIA's time to shine now. I mean, I don't think so. AMD was kind of leading the way there. I mean, this has just been consolidating for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 15 minutes. It's flatlined. SPY moving up, and it just can't get that push. SPY is moving up here, new highs, and NVIDIA is just not getting the push that it needs. Yeah, SPY new high. Ooh, 10 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Don't be a slacker. Make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Let's do it. How much time's left? A minute. You need to SPY would need to get a pretty aggressive candle up here breaking out for this thing to get going, I think. VIX is at 1833. Jesus. Yeah, 30 seconds on this. This is probably going to, unless this makes a real aggressive move here, this is probably taking me out of this position, which is fine. I'll take it. Up 17% now. Fucking, they're just fucking around with this thing. 15 seconds. They're going to do the same thing. It's going to open light if it doesn't close there, and then we'll see. See? There goes SPY a little. That's okay. So that's a close. That's basically a close, bro. All right, I'm out. I'm out. Fucking drilled Nancy. That was great. That was pretty great. Now watch it just go boom season on me. Watch it just go fucking boom season on me. Watch, right as I get out, it goes whoop. Ooh, no. There's finally the Facebook. Amazon reversal. Yeah, but this thing is just not giving it to us. Like, it just hasn't done it. Like, Nancy's just consolidating here. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing trickled lower. AMD, yeah, fucking Facebook's starting to get it. I just don't want to chase this, bro. Where's Tessie? Stressless starting to make the move. Like, you need this break here. There goes Stressla down and Nancy a little bit too. Facebook made the move. Fuck me. I wanted that. I wanted that. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think Gabe's going live, so we'll stay on for a little bit more. But Gabe and I will both be live at 12:30. I think Gabe's working on some videos for you guys. Yeah, perfect sell on Nvidia there, dude. Perfect. You see how perfect thigh gap is? Tesla did the same thing after being overextended. Dude, I'm telling you, thigh gap is the fucking truth. This is the candle that it's telling you, oops land. Let's see. I mean, Nvidia's doing it. SPY losing it here. Tessie getting mollywopped. Yeah, Leo, that was a good trade there, buddy. Nah, I'm going to give it some time here. I think I'm going to give it some time. Oh, 2 likes away from 150. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you, team. I want to look at these different time frames, see where it's at. That's got room. Yeah, I think I'm going to give this some time until later. I still got a lot of settled cash left that I can play with. Or just cash in general. I mean, it's a fucking, I can trade as much as I want, but I don't like to over trade. Is it bad to keep scalping the same ticker for 5% each trade? Absolutely not, Kenny U. Absolutely not, Kenny. Let's see. You have calls for 450 on VIX. Thoughts? I'm not here to give you advice. I just guide you guys through. You guys just need to, what do you call it? You guys use me as a guide. Use the strategy. If you're blindly going into stuff, that's a really, really, really bad idea. Don't be blindly buying things. Calls at 450 on VIX. How do you have 450 calls on VIX? I don't know how that makes any sense. Yeah, I want to wait here. I think this looks like bait and switch. This is starting to look like bait and switch, guys. Be careful. UVXY maybe. Yeah. So guys, it is 10:35. We are actually going to be wrapping it up here. Team, I'm going to throw that link in the live chat here for you guys. Again, if you guys want some more of those Gabe streams, make sure that you guys are signing up, upgrading to Master. You guys know where to do that. It's in the subscriptions area. But for everybody sitting on the sidelines, come see why thousands of people using our strategy are absolutely crushing it. So the QR code's on the screen. Use code PRINCECITY at checkout. Your first month is $5. So team,